How to create a shift in Advanced Message Editor. Shift is used to define the scheduled operating time of a printing machine. How to add shift inside the message. First, go to AME page. Select Shift from the Object Insertion toolbar and click on the canvas paper. The Not in Range status. This occurs because the range has not been set. Now let's add two shift. For example, let's set the shifts as follows. Shift A, 6 a.m. to 17:59 p.m. Then click Add to List button. Shift B, 18 p.m. to 5:59 a.m. Then click Add to List button. Once done, click Save and Print. You can view the list you created in the shift list. You can also add text to the prefix, which will change based on the scheduled shift. Once done, click Save and Print button.